Hello there. While being professional in the workplace entails knowing how to manage our emotions and to work under pressure, studies have also shown that the emotions influence productivity. In this video, I will explore what determines an organization's emotional culture and how this impacts performance in both the team and productivity. This will include what team leaders can do to nurture a positive and emotional culture. I will be right back. Welcome back. My name is Raymond Huan, and if you own a business, you're interested in business, or you wish to learn about the tips and tricks on how to operate your business better, I encourage you to click on the subscribe button that you see before you right now. One of the pillars of professionalism is self-regulation. This means that we need to have the ability to work under pressure. However, the flip side of this coin involves what experts now call psychological safety and the need to take care of our mental health. A recent study done by Google concludes that one of the key factors that differentiates mediocre teams from high-performing teams is psychological safety. These findings suggest that emotional culture play an important role in organizational performance as the emotions affect team productivity and their performance. There are many facets of workplace culture. The most recognized facet is organizational culture, which is an understanding on how to do things to achieve a goal. But there's also emotional culture, which predicts many important work outcomes, including employee absenteeism, teamwork, burnout, satisfaction, psychological safety, and objective performance outcomes like operating costs. Emotional culture is contagious and it trickles down from the top. How managers behave and react to different circumstances sets the tone for the team's emotional culture. Imagine what could happen if you have a manager who consistently reacts negatively to mistakes. Or what if this manager is prone to blame other people or members of the team for the mistakes caused primarily by circumstances out of their control? What if this manager focuses on putting blame rather than using these mistakes as opportunities for them to learn and to improve? How do you think the team would react? Do you know of someone who likes to take the credit and not the blame? Who shifts any mistakes to his team and other people? Whoops, I apologize for that technical disruption. Back to the video. So what would a team do under such leadership? Well, the team members would be afraid to make mistakes or try new things, and this instantly kills the growth mindset. They will be more focused on doing what they think the manager thinks is right and appropriate, rather than what is good for the team. They will be afraid of disappointing their manager. When things go wrong and the team members are afraid, it sets off a fight or flight response, which instantly kills their ability to be creative or innovative. When team members are focused on not making a mistake, they are likely to only focus on just the job or task at hand and not find new ways to improve the process. This kills productivity right away. There is no psychological safety because no team member will feel safe in taking risks and making mistakes and doing things differently. If team members are not allowed to learn and grow and be innovative, there is no incentive for anyone to perform well. If you have a team leader who consistently focuses on mistakes and putting blame, you are unlikely to build and nurture a high-performing team. What you have is a team of robots or yes people who will do only what they are told and nothing else. And when the environment becomes even more unbearable, team members are likely to jump ship and find work elsewhere. In this scenario, you are more likely to lose the best people in your organization. As a leader, you need to keep your emotions in check. Observe how you react and see how your own employees react. Replace blame with curiosity. Now, in my video on building high-performing teams, one of the key challenges is to change your mindset, and one that redirects the focus on issues and root problems rather than on people. Click on the link that has just appeared to find out more. Take a step back and care for yourself, the leader. Perhaps you're stressed, which is affecting everyone else in the team. In the video Maximizing the Best Asset in Your Business, I discuss how rest is important to encourage creativity and problem solving in the long run. Ask for help. When we have been told the same things for a long time, it's easy to develop blind spots. Because of this, we tend to think of how we do things is normal and acceptable. Perhaps they are, but there may be things that are not as acceptable, or maybe some things that need improvement. It's hard to see beyond our blind spots, so we may need someone, a person looking in from the outside, to show us what we don't see. This can be a mentor, a trusted colleague, or a business coach. So do not let your pride limit you on what you can do in your business. I have personally seen successful businesses be ruined by the business owner due to that individual's perception that only he knows what is best for the business. I have seen his team members leave the organization, and yet he stubbornly refuses to change the mindset on the business. The end result is that now he's working alone in his business and struggles to make ends meet. Do not make the same mistakes as he did. Ask for help. If you're interested to know more about what a business has to go through when facing exponential growth, you can download the first chapter of the book, From 20K to 2 million in 2 years, absolutely free, here. The chapter talks about the differences between a good and a great business and puts out questions that make you consider how you can turn your business from good to great. Thank you for watching this video. Keep safe, and I look forward to catching up in a new video very soon.